Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. Kay English Channel. I'm Kay, your English buddy from the US. And as always, I'm here with my friend.
Hi guys, I'm Bunie. Nice to see you again.
Today we're learning one small word that makes your English sound much more natural. The word is take.
Take looks easy, but it's everywhere. And sometimes it's confusing.
Exactly, because take doesn't only mean pick up. It can mean use, have, accept, do, bring, remove, depending on the phrase.
If I learn take, can I speak faster?
Yes, you'll speak faster and more naturally because you'll use real chunks. And we will keep it simple, A1, A2 friendly. Kay, quick question. How's your day?
It's good, but I feel a little sleepy. I woke up early and I didn't sleep well.
Same here. Sometimes I wake up and I feel like I need a break.
Oh, take a break, right?
Exactly. I already heard two take phrases today. You said woke up early, and then you said sleepy, so you might want to take a nap.
Yes, I want to take a nap after we film this.
Perfect. You see, take is in daily life. You don't need advanced English. You need the right phrases. Before we jump in, please like this video and subscribe to Mr. Kay English Channel.
And comment below, where are you watching from?
Also, comment one sentence with take. Any sentence, simple is fine.
We love reading your comments.
Quick test. Which one is correct? I do a shower or I take a shower?
I take a shower.
Yes, many learners say the wrong one. Today, we'll learn 5 steps for take that you can use every day.
And stay till the end because step 5 has the most confusing take phrase.
Exactly. Let's go.
Step 1. Take equals pick up, bring, accept, the core meaning.
Step 1 is the core meaning. Take often means pick up or bring with you.
Like, take your phone?
Yes. Imagine you're leaving your house. Your mom says, don't forget, take your keys, take your phone, take your wallet.
That sounds real.
Or your friend says, it's raining, take an umbrella.
So take is like bring it with you.
Exactly. Another very common use is accept. For example, shopping.
Oh yes, I'll take it.
Right. You're in a store, you like a jacket. The cashier asks, do you want it? You say, yes, I'll take it.
That's so natural. It's short and confident.
Another place you hear this is food orders. What would you like? I'll take a burger. I'll take a coffee.
Wait, that sounds like choose, right?
Yes, I'll take can mean I choose this. It's like, this is my decision.
Nice. What about take it when someone gives you something?
Great question. If I give you a pen, I can say, here, take it. That means hold it. It's yours.
It's not rude?
It depends on the tone. If you say it softly, it's fine. Here you go. Take it. Or more polite, you can take it.
I like you can take it. It sounds kind.
Yes. Also, take can be used with time. For example, it takes time.
Oh, like it takes 10 minutes?
Exactly. Take can mean need and time. It takes 5 minutes to walk there. It takes 1 hour to drive.
That's very useful for daily life.
Let's build a small, natural conversation with step 1 phrases.
Okay.
Bunie, we're leaving.
Okay.
Take your phone, take your keys.
Got it.
It's raining, take an umbrella.
Good idea.
Do you want coffee?
Yes, I'll take a latte.
Perfect. Let's go.
That felt easy.
That's the goal. Simple chunks. Step 2. Take plus transportation. Take a bus, take a taxi, take the train. Step 2. We use take for transportation. This is one of the most common real-life uses.
Like, take the bus?
Yes. We say take the bus, take a taxi, take the train, take the subway.
Why take? We don't pick up the bus.
True. Here, take means use a method of transportation. Think Choose this transportation.
Okay, so if I go to work by subway, I say I take the subway.
Exactly.
Can I say I go by subway?
Yes, I go by subway is correct too. But I take the subway is super common in speaking.
What if I need directions, like a tourist?
Great. Let's do a direction conversation.
Okay.
You are a tourist. You ask me.
Excuse me, how do I get to the museum?
You can take the subway. Take the blue line. It's 2 stops.
2 stops. Okay. Where is the station?
The station is over there, next to the coffee shop.
And if I'm in a hurry?
Then you can take a taxi. It's faster, but it's more expensive.
More expensive is easy. And faster, too.
Exactly. Now let's make it even more natural.
Okay.
Should we take the bus or take a taxi?
The bus is cheaper, the taxi's faster. I think we should take a taxi.
Nice. That's real English. Another important phrase is, which bus should I take?
Oh, yes, that's a strong question.
Example, which bus should I take to go downtown? Take bus 15.
Simple.
Another one, where do I get off?
Get off is when I leave the bus?
Exactly. Take the bus and get off at Central Station.
That's very travel English.
Yes. Now a short story. This morning I was late. I didn't take the bus, I took a taxi. It took 20 minutes. I arrived on time.
I like how you used take and it took together.
Great point. You can combine them naturally.
Step 3. Take daily life chunks. Take a shower. Take a break. Take a nap. Take a walk. Take your time.
Step 3 is your daily life step. These are the take phrases you can say every day.
This is my favorite step.
First, take a shower.
Not do a shower.
Right. You can say, I take a shower in the morning. He takes a shower at night.
What about take a bath?
Yes, take a bath is also common. A bath is in a bathtub.
Okay.
Next, take a break. You use this at work, at school, while studying.
Like, let's take a break.
Exactly. Or, I need to take a break. Because your brain is tired.
And take a rest is similar.
Yes, but take a break is more common in speaking.
Okay.
Next, take a nap.
I love naps.
Same. A nap is a short sleep. I'm sleepy. I'm going to take a nap.
What about take a walk?
Great one. Let's take a walk. I take a walk after dinner.
That sounds healthy.
Yes. Now, take your time.
That means no rush.
Exactly. If you're waiting for your friend, you can say, take your time. I'm not in a hurry.
Very kind.
Let's put these into a longer conversation. Imagine we are at work.
Okay.
Hey, Bunie, you look tired.
Yeah, I didn't sleep well.
You should take a break.
Good idea. 5 minutes?
Yes, let's take a break. After that, you can get coffee.
Thanks. After work, I will take a walk. And then I will take a shower.
Nice routine.
And tonight, I might take a bath.
Perfect. And if you feel sleepy,
I'll take a nap.
great. Bunie, can I say take a sleep? Good question. No, we don't say take a sleep. We say go to sleep or get some sleep.
Oh, that's important.
Yes, take a nap is special. Nap is the key word.
Got it.
This step is powerful because it makes your English feel normal and natural.
Step 4. Take plus useful actions. Take a photo. Take notes. Take medicine. Take a test. Take a seat.
Step 4, take, is also used for actions. When you do something and you get a result.
Like, take a photo?
Yes, you can say, can you take a photo of me? Let's take a picture.
Picture and photo are the same?
Yes, photo is short for photograph. Both are common.
What about take notes?
Great phrase for learning. Take notes in class. I take notes when I study English.
I should do that more.
Next, take medicine.
Like, take this medicine twice a day?
Exactly. Twice a day means 2 times a day. 3 times a day is also common.
And take a pill, too?
Yes. Did you take your pills? Take 1 pill after dinner.
Good.
Next, take a test.
Students use that a lot.
Yes. I have to take a test tomorrow. She is taking an English test.
So, take a test means do a test in school?
Exactly.
And take a seat is polite.
Yes. This is very common in offices. Imagine a job interview.
Oh, okay.
I'm the interviewer. You are the candidate.
Okay. I'm nervous.
Hi, Bunie. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Please take a seat.
Thank you.
Would you like some water?
Yes, please.
That's natural.
I like, please take a seat. It sounds professional.
Yes. Now, let's do another scene. Classroom.
Okay.
Please take notes.
Okay, teacher.
And a travel scene.
Okay.
Let's take a picture here.
Yes, the view is beautiful.
Great. Now, a health scene.
Okay.
You look sick. Did you take your medicine?
Not yet. I will take it after lunch.
Perfect. Step 4 is full of strong daily chunks.
Step 5. The most confusing take, plus real role plays, take out, take off, take care of, take it easy.
Step 5 is the real conversation step, and this step includes some confusing take phrases.
Yes, this is the step you promised.
First confusing phrase, take out.
Like food?
Yes, in American English, take out means food you bring home. In some places, people also say take away.
So take out is like to go.
Exactly. Let's do a cafe scene.
Okay.
I'm the cashier. Hi, what can I get for you?
Hi, can I get a chicken sandwich and a coffee?
Sure, for here or to go.
To go, please.
Okay, so that's takeout. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Great. And you can also say, I want it to go.
Nice.
Next phrase, take off.
Like a plane?
Yes, a plane takes off, but in daily life, take off often means remove.
Remove clothes?
Exactly. Take off your shoes. Take off your jacket.
Oh, in some homes, people say, take off your shoes.
Yes, or at the airport, please take off your belt.
That's very real.
Next phrase, take care of.
That means help?
It means look after, protect, help, handle. I take care of my little brother. Don't worry, I'll take care of it.
I'll take care of it means I will handle it.
Exactly.
That's a powerful phrase.
Next phrase, take it easy.
That means relax?
Yes, take it easy equals relax. Don't stress. If your friend is tired, you can say, take it easy today.
That's friendly.
Now, let's connect these phrases in real role plays. Role play 1. At home. Take off plus take it easy. You come to my house.
Hi, Kay. Thanks for inviting me.
Hey, Bunie, come in. You can take off your shoes.
Oh, sure. I'll take off my shoes.
Long day?
Yes, I'm exhausted.
Then take it easy. Sit down and relax.
Thank you. I will take it easy today.
Do you want some tea?
Yes, please. That sounds nice.
Role play 2. Helping a friend. Take care of.
Kay, I'm stressed. I have too many things to do.
What's wrong?
I need to call the bank, pay bills, and clean the kitchen.
Okay, take a breath. I'll take care of the kitchen. You call the bank.
Really? Thank you so much.
No problem. I've got it. I'll take care of it.
That helps a lot.
Role play 3. Travel day. Take off plus take a taxi plus take out. Imagine we are traveling.
Okay.
Our flight takes off at 8 a.m.
Oh no, it's 7:10.
Don't worry. Let's take a taxi.
Okay, we take a taxi to the airport.
At security, the staff says, please take off your jacket.
I take off my jacket.
After the flight, we arrive. We're hungry.
Let's get food.
For here or to go?
To go. take out, please.
Perfect. That's natural travel English.
Step 5 has many meanings. That's why it's confusing.
Yes, but you don't need to memorize everything at once. Start with the most common ones and use them in real situations.
Kay, can you give a simple take day plan?
Sure. Listen. In the morning, take a shower. Take the bus to work. At work, take a break. After work, take a walk. At home, take off your shoes. If you're tired, take it easy. If you're hungry, get takeout.
Wow, take is literally the whole day.
Exactly. And that's why this lesson matters. Let's recap the 5 steps. Step 1. Take equals pick up, bring, accept, time it takes. Step 2. Transportation. Take a bus, taxi, train, subway. Step 3. Daily life. Take a shower, take a break, take a nap, take a walk, take your time. Step 4. Actions. Take a photo, take notes, take a medicine, take a test, take a seat. Step 5. Real phrases. Take out, take off, take care of, take it easy.
If I learn these chunks, my speaking will be smoother.
Exactly. Comment one letter. A, take a shower. B, take the bus. C, take a photo.
Which one did you do today?
Thanks for watching Mr.Kay English Channel.
Keep it simple. Use one take sentence today.
Like, subscribe, and share with a friend.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.